Google Voice is a powerful, free tool from Google that allows you to make calls to landline and mobile numbers using the internet. Whether you're trying to call someone at their home phone or a business landline, Google Voice makes it easy, but there are a few things you should know to do it correctly, especially if you're dialing internationally or from a new account. Here's a complete step-by-step guide on how to dial a landline number using Google Voice. What is Google Voice and what you need? Google Voice is a VoIP voice over Internet Protocol service. It lets you make voice calls, send text, and even receive voicemail using your Google account. To dial a landline, you need a Google account, an internet connection, Google Voice activated, a microphone if using on PC or laptop, a speaker or headset. You can use Google Voice on a web browser or on its mobile app. Setting up Google Voice. Before you can dial, you need to set up Google Voice. Go to voice.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Choose a Google Voice number. Link your existing phone number, optional but useful for call forwarding. How to dial a landline number. Once you're set up, here's how to dial. Open Google Voice, web or mobile app. Click the phone/dial icon. Enter the area code plus landline number, e.g. 2125551234. Click the call button. It works just like a traditional phone dialer. You must include the area code, even if you're calling within your own city. Dialing international landline numbers. To call a landline outside your country, dial the plus sign. Add the country code, e.g. +44 for UK. Add the area code and number. Example, +442079460958. Note, calling international landlines may require Google Voice credit, which you can add through your Google account. Cost of calling landlines from Google Voice. US and Canada, usually free. Other countries, low per minute rates, e.g. India, UK, Australia. Rates vary depending on the destination and whether it's a mobile or landline number. Check Google Voice's official rate list for the most accurate pricing. Troubleshooting common issues. If you're unable to call a landline, make sure you have internet access. Ensure your microphone and speakers are working. Check if the number was typed correctly. Reload or relog into your Google Voice account. Make sure your Google Voice number is properly linked and verified. Check if you need to add credit for international calls. Tips for a better experience. Use a headset or earbuds for clearer audio. Make calls in a quiet space. Check time zones if calling internationally. Add frequent landline contacts to your Google Voice contacts. Use Wi-Fi for better call quality, especially on mobile data. Final recap. Calling a landline number using Google Voice is straightforward, convenient, and cost-effective. Just open the app or website, enter the full number including the area code or country code, and hit call. With Google Voice, you can stay connected no matter where you are. All you need is an internet connection.